Hello! I'm so excited. Today I finally get to unbox issue 2 of the doll issue Big Pink Pages. It has arrived. We have a bigger box this time. Oh! Inside this box is 100 copies of the doll issue of Big Pink Pages. So I just want to jump in. If this is the first time you're seeing my face, my name is Brooke. I own and run Big Pink Boutique. I am a small alternative fashion business, and I recently launched my own magazine this year, Big Pink Pages, which is also all about alternative fashion. Issue 1 was the rainbow issue. I will show you, hold on. This was issue 1, I was on the cover, and if you watched my previous unboxing, you might remember me saying, this time I did not want to be on the cover. This was going to be the first and last time I was on the cover of my magazine. The other thing I wanted to change was I felt the magazine was a bit short. Don't get me wrong, at the time I was so proud of this magazine. I work a full-time job, so I was blown away that I'd managed to put this magazine together and have it look so professional and nice. This just felt quite short for me. I definitely wanted that to be a focus, and the other focus I wanted was to improve the diversity. Because of COVID, because it being issue 1, all the photo shoots and all the content, apart from a few things, were all produced by me at home. So like this photo shoot was on my phone with a self-timer. My friend helped me write some of the articles. Letty, you may remember her, she helped write this playlist article, so that was amazing. I also had these influencers and contributors on this page, but everything else was all me, basically. So definitely diversity and length were like the two things I wanted to improve on this issue, and I think I have done it. When this came out, I loved this issue with like my heart and soul, but this is a million times better, and like the length is better. There's an extra 8 pages this time. There's so many talented creators in this magazine. Diversity is better. Obviously diversity could always be better, and I'm still gonna keep that as a focus for every issue that I put out, but hopefully you feel more represented if you didn't before. Maybe you don't still, maybe, you know, I still haven't covered, you know, people of your size or race or gender enough, but this is a promise I'm keeping. It's only gonna get better as I keep going, I promise. So should we just open it? Getting there. So this is my order note, and these are the magazines. Let's take out the first issue and have a look. How good do they look together? Like seriously. On the cover we have the dollhouse Barbie, and she looks amazing. This is so cool. This is good because like I sent the magazine off like a week ago, and even since then I've like forgotten, not forgotten, but like, you know, not remembered the way I laid things out and stuff. So we've got our contents page here. I'm not going to show you every single page because I don't want to spoil it, but I am going to show you bits of every single creator that was involved. So we've got some puzzles, and then this page here. So this is a cutout print. This artist blew me away. I just basically said this issue is the doll issue, do something along those lines and we'll go from there. And I was absolutely shocked at how amazing this print came out. I absolutely love it. So I've got all of their info here. If you want to commission them, please go ahead. They're really good at what they do. So yeah, consider that. And thank you so much, Sarmander, for doing this print for me. I love it, and I'm sure all of my readers will love it as well. Next we have a makeup tutorial. This is Cher. She is amazing and she is gorgeous. I won't spoil the makeup tutorial for you, but we have makeup tutorials now. We've got this upcycling, I'll just flash it so you can see it there. We wanted to do some more like crafty things this issue. The really cool thing about this article is it's actually about upcycling your clothes. It's about getting more wear out of the things you love already. The cool thing about this is, like, I know fast fashion is a growing concern for so many, and I did want to tackle that issue, but in a really optimistic way. When you read this magazine, I want it to be like a form of escapism almost. So when we talk about serious issues like sustainability and fast fashion, I didn't want it to be like doom and gloom and the world is ending and all of that kind of stuff. I want it to feel optimistic and positive. I want you to feel like this is stuff that you can do yourself. These are easy changes you can make to get more wear out of the clothes you already love and already wear. So that's why we've gone with this. And the amazing Charlotte from Rate Cute has written this article for me and sent me all the pictures and everything, so I think you're going to love it. Then we have our cover interview with the Dollhouse Barbie. Look how amazing she looks. We did a really good interview with Letty. Letty and Isabel had this kind of chat about all kinds of things, her brand, what it's like being plus size and into kawaii fashion, and it was something I felt Letty would be better at doing, purely because if they were going to talk about what it was like to be a black woman in alternative fashion in that scene, that's something they both have lived experience of and I obviously do not. So if they were going to talk about that kind of stuff, I just felt it would be better for it to be more like a conversation between two people with maybe similar experiences, rather than me trying to, you know, get answers. And you know, so I really love how this interview turned out. It's really interesting read. I hope you guys will love it. It's really optimistic and it's more sort of like celebrating the creativity and the amazing things about women of colour, black women, plus size people in the kawaii and alternative fashion kind of space. After you feast your eyes on these amazing pictures from the Dollhouse Barbie, it's time for more amazing pictures because it's the doll lookbook and I have been so excited to share these. I love these pictures so much. This was shot in my garden and this is the other look. There's only 2 looks from me this time, but I hope these pictures are like more exciting. Like the last photo shoot was literally me against like a yellow wall, and this time, you know, we're on location. We're outdoors. We're using props. So it's good, it's good. And then after my pictures, surprise, it's Aisha. I don't know how she says it. I don't know how she does that without getting like tongue-tied, but you will remember her from issue 1 as well, and my god, she is beautiful. So this is our final doll look. I really wanted to have her involved again. She's even got a matching mobility aid for her outfits, which is just amazing. And she's wearing the Big Pink Boutique Made with Love jumper, so had to have that in. And then once you've gone through the lookbook, we have another interview, this time with Candy Fox. She's a music artist, which has a really cool visual for her song Freak Show. She's just recently put a new song out called Rotten. So we did an interview with her, a little exclusive interview. I believe she's definitely going to be blowing up very soon. So, you know, get in now if you want to be one of those people that says, I liked this artist before they did this and that thing. I think if you like kawaii stuff, especially like if you were a bit of maybe an emo back in the day, maybe you will love her, but not to put a label on it. I asked my friend Angel to write an article again for this issue. She was featured in The Creators in issue 1, and this issue I thought, because she's a vintage toy collector, it would be really cool to have her write something for the doll issue. So Angel has very kindly taken pictures of her favourite dolls and written a little write-up about them. Then we have the doll playlist, and then we have our featured creators for this issue. We have Pastel Kawaii Barbie, and we have this shop, I'm trying to hide this because this is the puzzle answers. Then we have this shop Let's Go Fairly on Etsy, and they do really cute stuff. I'll try and show you without spoiling the puzzle answers. This jumper is absolutely adorable, so check out their Etsy. And they do earrings and other cute stuff. And as I said, check out Pastel Kawaii Barbie. She is really cute. She has loads of fashion content on Instagram. I think she does YouTube as well, so definitely check out these creators. This is the back cover. I still had to be on it somewhere. So I'm not on the front cover this time, but I am on the back cover. And this was the back cover last time, so consistency. They look really nice together. On the back it says, if you loved this, you'll adore issue 3. Get ready for even more fashion and cuteness. issue 3 is going to have fashion and cuteness. I haven't started issue 3 yet. Issue 3 is going to launch in July, and yeah, we're very early in issue 3 planning. I'm so happy with how this one turned out. I just know it's going to be bigger and better. As I said, I just absolutely adore this issue. I hope you love it. It is available on bigpinkboutique.com. You can buy a subscription. You can buy an add-on subscription if you already have issue 1 but you want to subscribe. You can buy an add-on, so then you've not got to pay for a magazine you already have. You can buy the doll bundle, which comes with a patch. You can choose whether you want one that says not a toy, it's a little purple heart, or you can choose one that says dolled up, it's a pink heart. How cute is that? Or you can just buy the issue single standalone on its own. Or the final option is if you spend £10 on my website, bigpinkboutique.com, you will get a free copy in your order. So go ahead, sell it out. And then the final announcement I wanted to make was obviously issue 1. There's a very, very limited number of copies available on Shop My Violet. Shopmyviolet.com. If you are American, it's probably going to be faster for you to buy from them than order from me. It will arrive quicker, I'm almost certain of it. They also stock my rainbow socks, so definitely consider checking that out. If you want them to stock issue 2, maybe give them a nudge. But yeah, thanks so much to all the creators involved in this issue. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your purchases. Thank you for your subscriptions. Oh my God. And I'm so happy with this issue. I hope you love it as much as I do. I hope you love seeing different faces this time and not just mine, and I can't wait to be back here again in 3 months showing you all what issue 3 looks like. Have an amazing day, stay safe, try and stay away from people, wash your hands.